Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we'll discuss the 100 of most popular Linux comment for beginner full course. Let's go with the best script. The 100 most popular terminal command. Let's go. First of all, we'll connect our Linux. Open our Linux. This is my way. This is a mobile stream. Mobile stream is a SSS logging application software where how to installation mobile stream. Our channel have a video. You can see this. Just I have connect this. User root password. I think not mess. Yeah, mess. Well, logging our mobile stream. This is a cat. Let's see our Linux kernel version. Cat etc OS release. This is center 7. Let's go. We'll connect our another two face. This is the Alma Linux. This is my Ubuntu. This is Alma Linux. Terminal. How to install Alma Linux. This video on my silent. I have description board. Seems this is my Ubuntu. Ubuntu IPS. IP command say where coffee not fast where just connect SSS. How to SSS enable installation. My have a video my channel. Please see visit my channel. One silent my username. You can your username 1.237 password. We can this is my another footy is another SSS logging application where connect our just 8. It's wrong because here I face uh, 237. Yeah, accept. Now again Ubuntu has a very small need to as font your setting right button and click and setting sense and FC sense font where regular font name apply this says you can change your user so comment so actually uses the sudo user and since your user so put we can access clear. First of all, where 12 man is the all help command. Let's go man ls. See elicit list directory cards. You can see all versions same way. It's a or another version is CentOS. Thus, I brief all this Linux some distribution is a similar command and same type. That's why I have to many ways they show here. You can understand and not confuse the Ubuntu command is not CentOS use CentOS command is not use first of all where see or documented let's go first of all man command is Linux user display user normally any command that we around the terminal where need any command is no any about this command the time is the man is a very important let's go man cat here is cat is the concatenating file and print and registration you can see or how can use this cat command here is a description let's go next command is uname a mean you mean a display the operating system all new system in a node operating system let's go where see this uname or is the Linux here is our Linux exact version you can see where Linux kernel version the all operating system is similarly uname or same Linux kernel version you can see this try this next comment uname our uname n worst name or uname and similar yeah Linux you can show and this is localhost same the worst name and the similar command worst name similar command you can try this and see this let's go You can release get to it is the first time offering this lens the time this command see we are not see now ls be release set the release details you can see this command use uh, I think it's so where since our user where can I think is missing something missing you can have time new let's go next command is uptime our system is how many time is of this command you can see this your system how many time is when starting this command is uptime see your time running whose time we can see your system IP address we can see our system IP address last name this is if config if config you can see our IP address or host name here is many comments you can and this if complete IP link is a wall interface how many interface our system IP link here is our system interface you can see this next comment is busy. This is a calculated comment. This is busy comment. Here comes 1 plus 25 second summarize 20 this is a calculator command you can use terminal switch the calculator mode that's command is the basic here exit here is exit let's go where next command calculator is a very important you can see this your calendar where the specific 2002 2020 we can all calendar can specific you can use and try this many ways clear where is skin clear see here clear our skin is clear that's it next w command is a Linux used to show has a log and say doing let's go we can see our w command how many way logging and who is the person is logging my system this the w command is used w command used to show the log on the register who am I is a very interesting command here your system is who am I yeah who am I is not capital the small letter who am I and here's the pwd print work directory and but print work directory where is the directory very well our who am I is the root who am I when you any location let's say who am I your location is your user tell how is who am I w command tms command command is the Linux utility display kernel release and message and develop RHCE. Let's see go we see the different version and different account, but you have see the I have same command is a different version is a not issue. You can try this your system. I use the Ubuntu or CentOS and Alma Linux this command use, but you can have Red Hat, Rocky, Linux, clear, scan, by Control Z. Yeah, let's go next command. You can use system processor information, cat, etc, CPU, cat process CPU information. You can see your CPU information, and this command use. Let's go same. The CPU information. Here is the memory information. We can see the memory. No such directory because is a writer the something is missing. How is the memory information is MEM input. That's why I have to no see this is sometimes we have to thinking that your command is not working, but you have to not missing your spelling. This is just a seems for memory information how many memory available this command you can see this command clear. It is memory information we can sensor. We can see the CPU information. Here is a free command is very simple, right? To show your listeners memory about you can free as you can use memory information and soft information here. This command use this command is use soft and memory free as this you can use memory and soft memory clear clear skin clear where we need to be skin clear this is here. And it's a tough command is the big command. Tough command is a task manager program and many Unix operating system is a display information and CPU information. Let's go where say tough command where our CPU uses and as like in this task as like is the Windows task manager this tough command where is describe tough command is a program for the many Unix operating system that is display information and CPU utilization memory utilization. As stuff is similar but it isn't sometimes it's not an installation you can installation as stuff is Linux commonly allow the interactive monitoring and real time this etc. Stuff I think is not here is stuff just a minute. Stuff is a very interactive and as monitoring and free resource. Sometimes it's not in installation. You have I have to here is this code. Stuff is just over the word. You can send to right as in so many code. Here is a decision is say use the registry and hardware information and process information and organization where cancel our queries. You can see this command and you can use this command. Where is the related information and resource name and BIOS details, memory, serials and number in systems. You can see and use this command. List of command is the entire the user process and the interactive using the file system. Listed often system. Alright, you can see your this running system. Is it details? A list of offline file. How many offline files is this command user item? IDs command use the user and group IDs, and you see this. Sometimes the need to go ID. The time is really clear ID. Here is a root ID and group IDs. You can see another silent. Here is the group ID and user ID. You can see this and the same use the different platform ID. Here is the group ID and group ID. You can see your user ID. ls command is the most unpopular and details command. You can see this ls command use the listings. La. We can see this your width of height file. LSA command. Just ls. Don't your list. You can see your list file. List command is the command you display image operating system. Use the this in directory for data. Let's go our next command. PW print or directory or present work directory. Sometimes you need to where you use a PW. Okay. Here is a root directory. Same, but so here is a pwd. As root, but we are logging the root. That's why you have to see the silent is the root to present work directory. mk directory where create a new file. mk directory abc file existence where tray abc existing where 3 ls where now create our directory abc3. You can directory, you can remove rm rf abc3 ls. Just you can see your abc3 have remove comment. Your directory are here. We can create our file. Here is abc3 ls. Here is abc3 task command. You have remove this file rm abc ls. You can see no here is ABC3. Let's go next. You can try this your task remove PS. We can see PS command user display account and process. You can see PS in process or system. You can see this PS command. You can try a different version, but I have so and it's sometimes it need your software need your software. The time is like Mozilla Firefox, Anydex is a need to often, but though need software that's just well clear this Anydex that is because Firefox where Firefox as often. That's it. Anydex, teamwork, this like similar type. You can often this your program any application. There is like Anydex from the PS fixes comes tool monitoring process and system system tool monitoring command. Here is you can use system monitoring and this command use. Clear, skin clear. You can see your process. You can share the process. Your common. You can host nearby over current host and domain or system domain. You can see this command clear first host IP. Latest command is a display how you can say this. It commands statistics. This command is a TCP and UDP till false CEO. I think it's not bad because it's a vomit command. It is not software another, just the version is support. You can use your TCP and UDP port with link and with port on PDI. You can see this command. Where first time is this login, how can this login? So when you put and the time is this TF. Identify and specific methods. TF is TIs. Yeah. This. Items and identifier is the specific command. You can see geo. I think this subtype is basic because FDIC is private and proper and partition is no. how many partition of a system, you can say this command. Index. You can see your partition, but I have no partition, that's why you have to not see. You can see this command. This command is a ticks uses for first use. Stereo your facade. Because this is a nature root user, this command use if you wish, then it's a nature root. You can see this command just takes uses and checking the partition. Not this cd content directory and is cd. You have to need to any directory access and logging. That's why cd. Download pw. We can see audit or we download. We can again cd. We can our backup the one. We see directory and since cat is the most important and popular command. Is a many concatenations. Cat is a files. We can create a file. We can merge this file. We can edit file. Cat command. Cat. We can create file. Silent. I love silent solution. I love tech detecting. Here is save is a control T press. You can save cat silent. You can see our file. Here is this file and catch command is there. You can use this command save control T and cat display. We can add this file. Just a minute. Where's file? Cat command is it? Can say where a silent solution edit and new I love favorite I love Dio. Control D and save. Again we can see our file. Cat. Here is you can edit and modify, and cat command is a very popular command. And see your cat is a file copy. Cat command is a silent solution. Is silent solution file copy. How to find DNS. itself. You can see your tennis. This is my tennis. You can see your tennis. Well, this time you can see your display. Just Control Z. Clear. Skin clear. How find website TNS we can use. Tick command. Website TNS. You can see Facebook, Google, your site. And let's look up name server. Let's look up. You can see your domain, wall information. So you can see output. You can see your output. Just out is a very suitable and common and very just out of the routing where see the routing path. Clear. Just route. We can see our route. We can our website and our Wi-Fi, and you can view Wi-Fi and test out. It's very interesting and count. Just out of the terrestrial and network and diagnostic and just out of ping and IP and distance different session. Check it. Network station display and register and route. You can test it. You can route. Route is similar command. Host command is the find out the IP address. I think you need to installation, but you have to not installation. That's why you have to not see URP. We can installation. I can installation this command. Fair test is if config is a command is a Wi-Fi SSID. You can see your SSID. have no SSID, that's why you have not saying it's common. Another EW con FY. This command is not supported. That is just open config clear have just installation if config, that's why you have to see this errors. You can see modify connection, you can see nm CLI harmonic connection or read system in CLI. You can see this. We can edit our IP address and username. You can see cancel is edit. You can go there is IP. We can edit manually. Show there is a Wi-Fi how to IP setup and installation. My channel have many video. You can see this. Just where live here. Run back. Quiet. And M2. You can this command use. Main interface link, you can see you can see your hosted. Okay, go. Let's go. Where next command uptime. Here is type uptime. Our system is when start that the time is CU. How many time is your system up starting? Here is yes. Next go free. Show the memory off. Let's go at terminal. Free. That is our soft memory and RAM. You can see your terminal. Where apps. Where an application installation, the time is the nature, the where is app, which is app. That's you have to type like where is used to find out the source of file command. You can see this. Where is this? Like I have here is the SSS. You can your application, but I have this example. User bin and which apps. Next command is which app. Which app is same. That's we can try this. Which apps here. There is details. Which command is which apps are located the executed file and location is a given. Think command is a most popular command in Linux because where your server is have any internet this connectivity 6 ping Google com. That's it. You can your IP or another try this. Uh, Duplicate. Duplicate command is a very download file. You can download file application. You have the copy here is CD downloads ls. But you have see this any CD where can since directory or let's go to where change our user. We can now change our terminal HU the user change. I think it's not formatted because here is root logging is stopped. That's why if not since where CD first go clear clear so we can sense CD let's go where now download command is download. Where is download? That's where C CD download ls. Where is download is done. You can download your file. I can download clear skin clear. Let's go. Next command. Basic command is that it is a terminal calculator. Let's go how to use this. BC what 10 Harris. You can 6 into height 40. This is a basic calculator. You can calculate with exit. Clear. Let's go next command. Here is the jar create a file, create a here is silentsolution where create jar is the extra file where let's go silence J jar cf silent dot jar that uses empty file ls. That's silent jar as a get where extra here file so you can see with getter with information domain with domain with .com. He can see your John Here is, you can see Google German. You can check your German like silentsolution b.com. This is my German. As you can check, this is your German. Clear. Let's go. Next command. Clear. We're doing history. History is a very important skill. His story. Where how many commands here is, so you can all commands see this like here. Next command. How many services running in the system? You can system how many enable. You can see this. Not found. Because the system is, you can see your how many service enable and disable. You can see this comment, and you can specify your comment how many system is enabled, is you can say graph just enable how many service your system enable. You can see this, but try is QR. Next go, and here is a specific. My video is very long, that's why I have to some time and the work command is not explained. Please this see your my just terminal. You can put CAF. SSS. You can your application just I have tried this SSS. You can another application try this comment. How many? Where want to do a service status? You can see your system schedule service status first. Just running. You can stop for, you can disable, you can enable. Just try this stop, just restart. We can change our RHCE default first. We can now just PI etc SSS config. Here is your foot. You can change. How change this port. I have my channel video. You can see this video. Just have this testing, but just key generation. How to key generate? We can key generate. This is key generate. Just simple. Kefir is a your password. You given your password, right? Just file permission deny because it's not a message. You can same type or here is how to SSSK and SSS copy the init system is a robot and the system we can see how build this system is here init 6. The system is rebooted. System reboot. Just a minute, where another view. System shut down. Same, have to not shut down. Let's see, go. have a let's bash scripting. Bash scripting common is a false. Very there is a ready executed and bash program. Now create a file. Let's go where do you use just silent dot just silent dot is cat nano create where is just scripting its copy and paste here first was save here just permission why save just a minute just mistake here here you can see this here is sometimes comment you can see this comment